Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to change slide number size in PowerPoint. So first go to PowerPoint and open your presentation or click on blank presentation to create a new one. Let's delete this. Now go to insert and here click on slide number in the text section. Then select slide number and apply and click on apply or apply to all. Let's click on apply to all. And now let's go back to the home tab and add new slides. Now, if you want to change the slide number size of one of these slides, just click on the slide and then click on the number and select the text box and go to the home tab, and here you can change the font and the size. Let's change the size to 40, for example. You can also make it bold or change the color and also align it. If you want to edit the other slide numbers, just click on the slide and click on the text box, or you can go back if you want to apply the same size and the same changes to the others. Just click on the text box and click on Format Painter here. Then select the slide number and click on it, and now the changes have been applied. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.